Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for crude oil and natural gas. In this analysis, with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we will try to find out the trading range for these instruments throughout next week and also where we should enter what should be our exit points and where we should take profits. All of this is going to come in next 10 to 15 minutes. Do watch till the end. At the end of every analysis, I am going to give you the trading levels for next week. First we'll look into NG and then followed with crude oil. Those who are new to the channel, let me share, I provide my daily morning analysis for oil and natural gas along with other global markets and commodities including gold and silver, and markets including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany 40, Nifty. So do press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. Now let's start the day with natural gas first. Natural gas closed the week at 5.732 levels and it was a wonderful week. It was a bullish week. As you can see how NG has performed in these weeks. This was last week was a strongly bullish week, and last week also it traded in green, closed the week at around 5.732 levels, close to $6. Now what can be expected here? Now look at this on the weekly charts. You will find that, see, it is trading in this channel. The bottom here or the support here is at around $5.5 levels. If it breaks 5.5 here, that time you can go short here, else it may try to go back up towards 6.2 $6.4 levels. So yes, if it breaks 5.5, we can go short here and expect it to drop. However, this is just on the charts here. Let's also turn on the indicators and try to find out what are the indicators saying. See, on the weekly charts, another observation is here that probably it may try to make a double top here at around 6.5. See, this was the drop. Let me show you something here. See, this is the rally, rise, retracement, rise. So one point is it may try to make a double top here and then followed with a drop where it could go till towards $3 levels. However, right now possibly, as I said, either it could make a double top or either it could make a higher highs. So I will be watchful of near to $6.5 levels if it tries to achieve this 6.5 as the previous high or not. So if it does and retraces from this there, then possibly we can say that yes, it is going to drop strongly, forming a double top out there. However, for now, for next week, $5.5 levels should be a very strong support. On the weekly charts, you will also find, see, trading above the 20 and 50 period weekly average as indicative that it is strongly bullish right now, and it is extremely overbought. That is also, however, right now the variance is lagging out here, indicating probably we might see a little bullish week. Also look at the MACD has crossed over and is wide and divergent right now. It is not looking forward to converge, indicating strong bullishness out there, and RSI not indicative, but this is just on the weekly charts. Now let's come back to the daily chart out there. On the daily charts, you will find that, see, it is trading in this bullish channel, and now the support at 5.5 is very much existent, and if it breaks 5.5, then I will consider this as bearish and probably it may try to drop again. How far this could go? The next support at 5.2, then 4.7 will come into picture. After that 4.4 will come into picture. So whether it could drop till here or not, one observation, see, it has just completed the retracement, a couple of red candles, minor retracement, and then a bullish rise. So probably also look at the last candle here. So last trading day, lower highs and higher lows, indicating probably it has to break out. So where to go long? Even if you see it trading above $5.8 levels next week, yes, you can go long there, and if you see it trading below 5.5, you can go short out there. In between 5.5 to 5.8, we have to be a little bit cautious. It may consolidate for next couple of days before trying to look for a breakout. Stochastic looking upwards again and probably may try to enter into overbought zone. MACD divergent and are rather running parallel and are still in buy zone, and RSI near to overbought. However, it's not overbought still. Now let's have a look at the monthly candle out there. See, monthly chart is yet to start, monthly candle is yet to begin, and you can clearly see this was the first red green candle last to last month, and it is still very much trading in this zone. So in the month of April, yes, you can expect that probably it may try to hit a high of $6.5, forming the double top, and then for maybe this month itself towards the end it may try to drop, or next month onwards it may continue with the downward movement. For now, it appears that if it breaks $5.8 levels, and till the time for this month itself it remains above $5.5 levels, one can remain long on natural gas, and one can expect it to achieve 6 and 6.2, 6.4, $6.5 levels in the coming weeks. For next week, a probable, if it breaks 5.8, definitely it may try to hit $6, and then $6.2 levels should come into picture. On the downside, breaking 5.5, one can expect that below 5.5, one can expect probably we can see it coming towards 5.2 and then towards $4.7 levels. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next week. And so for next week, first let's talk about where to buy. And if you look at the charts here, a probable entry to go long is at around 5.82. If you see it trading above 5.82, the next target is 5.95, then 6.1, and then the nearest resistance at $6.2 levels will come into picture. In fact, beyond that, sky is the limit, 6.33 and 6.47. After that, 6.5 should come into picture. This is the strongest resistance which it might face. As I said, that is the level at which it will form a double top, beyond which it is going to be extremely bullish. Also, levels to go short, one should only think of going short at around 5.54 levels. If you see it trading below 5.54, one can go short. One can expect nearest support at around 5.39, and then towards 5.3 5.35, and after that it will directly try to hit towards 5.2, 5.02 and 4.9, 4.7. It can drop till here. These are strong support levels. However, I don't expect it to break, but these are markets, anything is possible. Any drop below 5.54, you can take a short entry, and you can always keep trading with a stop loss. See, for the month of April, probably the support should come into picture at around 4.7 at $5 levels, in between somewhere, and from there it may rise again. So I will be watchful how it behaves next week, and a breakout beyond 5.82 should be a very good level to go long, and expect it to hit 6.2, 6.4 levels. If not this week, then probably by next week it may try to hit 6.5 also. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. See, first look at the daily charts for crude oil. You can clearly find that there is a support here at around $9.8 levels, rather I'll say $9.75 levels. Here it has got its good support. Now if it breaks this zone at 9.7, then precisely you can say that it is going to hit $90 levels. So this is, sorry, $97.5 levels. If it breaks 97.5, then yes, you can expect that it is going to head towards 95, which is again a strong support. And then $90 levels now is the strongest support for crude oil for any downward move. If it breaks this zone at $90, you can expect that below $90 levels, that is this zone, we have to see a stronger fall. See, all this land has to be covered. This is the price action which it might need to cover up in recent or near future, where you can expect that it can try to come back till towards 85, and then towards at least this zone at $80 levels. If not this month, then next month or next to next month for sure. Right now it appears it is getting a strong support at $97.5 levels. Now from here, if it tries to reverse, also look at this. See, on the daily chart, 3 red candles, this candle is probably indicating a reversal out there, not indicative of any move out there. Indecision is what it is hinting or reflecting. So if you see it trading above $100 levels next week, probably you can take a long entry at $100, and you can expect that it is going to form another high, or at least if it is consolidating in nature, it may try to see what I am trying to say. If it is consolidating in nature, probably we can expect it to come back till towards 110 at least. So yes, breaking $100 levels, we may see a little rise on crude oil, and where the next target is towards $108 levels, and I will see how it behaves at around 108. If it breaks 108, then probably first target should be at around 115, and then should be it may try to form the double top at 125.28 zone. So I'll be watchful how it behaves at around $100 levels. A probable long entry next week is at $100. At the same time, breaking here at $97 levels, one can take a short entry. One can expect that this time it is going to fall sharp. This time it is going to head towards $90 levels also. Now this is on the daily charts. Look at the weekly charts out there. On the weekly charts, you will find that, see, it is clearly getting a support out there at around 97. This is the channel it is trying to respect, and also if you look at this lower highs on the weekly charts, trying to trade, trying to consolidate in within this zone, and hence this week also it may try to show some consolidatory moves before trying to give a breakout, and that is why I say first resistance at around 108 and then 110 should come into picture. A good long entry above 110 $100 levels can be taken on crude, where the next target is towards 103 and then 106 and then 108 should come into picture. So almost these levels should get achieved if you take a long entry above $100 levels. At the same time, breaking below 97, one must take a short entry, and then it is going to hit $90 levels next week itself. The next support at 95 and then 90 should come into picture. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly candle, see, first thing is if it tries to trade above $100 levels, we can again expect that this is going to be a green month again, where the candle should be green in color, and it is going to trade with a positive bias, achieving $120 $125 levels. At the same time, if you see it trading below 97, one can consider this as a reversal candle. Now after, see, this candle, what does this indicate? See, it has achieved a high here, and bulls lost the control out there completely, and then bears took the grip. However, keeping, because the candle size is very big, it is trying to give you this inverted candle. Now if it breaks the lows of this candle at around $90 levels, the month of April, you can expect that it is going to give you sharper drop towards $90. So if it breaks 97, you can expect the levels at 90, and then towards, in fact, it can drop till towards $80 levels. This is going to be a sharper red move. So yes, below 97 one can remain short and probably expect $90 levels. Till the levels of $90, one can expect that it may still reverse, or it can again rise. And yes, below 90 definitely one can see $80 levels in the month of April itself. Now look at the indicators there. Look at the indicators there. See, this is the 20 period moving average and the 50 period moving average at 100, 20 period at 105 and 100 period at 100. $2 levels, $101 levels. If it breaks 101, then you can expect 105 should come into picture, and beyond that definitely it will fly. Also on the downside, the $90 level should provide a very strong support. Now look at this. The daily stochastic is now near to oversold, and probably from here a little rise can be expected, and that is why I say a breakout beyond $100 levels one can go long. MACD are still on sell and are wide and divergent here, indicative of probable bearishness. Right now the candle has to still grow big, and from here I will be still watchful at how it behaves. Any retracement from here should make them converge and cross over again. So this is on the indicators on the weekly charts. On the daily charts, see, on the daily charts, if it is on the weekly charts, if it is really bearish, it may try to come back till towards 88, and then see 20, 50, 100 period moving average, it is trading way above this, indicating strong bullishness in oil in the near recent past. Also look at the weekly charts out there. The stochastic is looking downwards here, and that is why I say any breakdown below $97 levels, one should probably go short out there. MACD trying to converge and cross over on the sell side, and RSI also looking downwards. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels here. And yes, before jumping into the levels, let me share that you have to gain the same expertise and insights such that you can also trade on your own independently. And for this, either you can join my mentorship course, the next batch is starting on 11th of April, or be part of my trading signals group, the VIP signals group, where with the help of signals definitely you can trade profitably. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your trading or training related queries. My email IDs and Telegram channel IDs are mentioned in the description. Now where to go long. So as I said, you can take a long entry at 100.43. If it breaks 100.43, the nearest resistance is $101 levels, and this is the level I will be watchful of. If it breaks 101, then I think nobody will stop till 103 and 105. These levels should get achieved, and beyond 105 I will be expecting it to hit 108. Any move beyond 108 should take it towards 110, and beyond that sky is the limit. The it has the potential to go and hit 120 $125 levels also. So probably any break beyond 100.43 should be a very good level to go long at. Also at the same time, if you see it trading beyond 97.2, you can take a short entry there. Below 97.2, my next target is 95.33. then it will try to hit 94 and then 91.6. so below 91.6, the next target is going to be towards 89.8 levels, and if it breaks 89.8, nobody will stop it till $85 levels, and then $80 levels should also come into picture. So in sum, the downside is also very much open here. However, looking at the daily stochastic, it is trading at bottom, probably trading above 100.4 levels. You can expect 101, and beyond 101 you can expect a good strong bullish rise on oil, and you can expect it to head towards 108 $110 levels also next week itself. So this is all from my side for crude oil, and if you like and appreciate my effort, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and you can be part of my Telegram channel. The Telegram channel links are mentioned in the description. That will definitely help you gain more insights on day-to-day basis on these instruments. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.